In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a header transparent on Wix. Now, if we check my website right here, we can see that my header has this grainy white background, and the main background of the page is a cityscape. Now, if I try to scroll down a bit, we can see that the header is frozen in place and the contents underneath it are no longer visible whenever we scroll down. So to make this transparent, we're just going to head back to our Wix website editor right here. Now to access this, just go ahead and click on Edit Site right on the top right section of your dashboard. Once you're there, just click on the header section until this pops out. So click on Change Header Design. Then on the top part, just select No Color and close that. Now it may not seem like much has changed in terms of scrolling, but if we preview this, we'll see that instead of the header covering the contents whenever we scroll, it becomes transparent and we can see the contents go through it. And that's about it. That's how you make a header transparent on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.